Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel for Accounting tutorial on how to make a balance sheet in the classified form. Now it's very similar to the balance sheet in the report form, so the best thing to do is open up your templates.xl, create a new sheet, and then zoom over here with the arrows to get your balance sheet in report form. And we're going to grab the entire thing. And I'm going to go Control C. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move over back to the sheet that we made called Balance Sheet and Classified, and I've already made one here, but I'm just going to go in the top corner and I'm going to paste it. Then let's make it fit. And then you'll be able to see the difference. Now, current assets are all your assets that are, they last less than a year. Okay, fixed assets last more than a year. So that's like bank loan, mortgage, and so on and so forth. Not bank loan, mortgage, but building and equipment and so on, things that last for more than a year. Then you got to break up your liabilities into current liabilities, which is very similar, and long-term liabilities. Long-term being bank loan, mortgage, current liabilities meaning accounts payable and so on. I'm just going to take this, all the assets, and I'm going to go Control C. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add some rows in here. And you can see your assets in total cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 rows. So we've got 13. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go right-click, insert, right-click, insert, right-click, insert, right-click, insert. And so add as many rows as you need here, and this should be bolded. And then you have a list of current assets, total current assets, at least 4 spots for assets, 3 spots for fixed assets, and total assets. Now, liabilities, we need a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots. So right now we only have a few, so let's insert some more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll go down here and copy these. Then we leave a little space for owner's equity. Now owner's equity, we want to have only one, name capital, because owner's equity is now in a balance classified sheet. You have to have a separate one for owner's equity. So we're going to go up to here and we're going to go right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. Now, what you'll notice is under the total liabilities, oh, I forgot to delete one more, is that this column was really only for drawings and increased capital, and that is no longer here. So just to keep it the same, what we'll do is we'll grab this and we'll just fill it with like a gray, because we're not going to use that. And then we'll fill that with a gray again, because we're not going to use that. So we won't be using that column. So this is your main column, just like it says here. and this is your totals column. You've got your company name, your balance sheet, and this one will say space, hyphen, and you got your date, and then we've got our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. But now we've got it broken up into current liabilities, long-term liabilities, current assets, and fixed assets. And there's a total for the current assets, a total for the fixed assets, a total assets, which will go in this row, and a total liabilities, and total current liabilities, total long-term liabilities, and total liabilities, plus your owner's equity. And then you've got all your totals. That is how you quickly make a balance sheet in the classified form. Thanks for watching.